everybody, it's your girl Naila and welcome to the channel. So first things first, what I'm going to be doing in this video today is an eyebrow tutorial using the products that works best for me and how I like to do my eyebrows. But before we get into the video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. It's very, very, very important for you guys to comment under our videos and stuff to let us know what type of content you would like to see from us. So, with further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is use this spoolie to brush out my eyebrows, just to get like all the extra crusty stuff off and just to like get that shape. So brush them out, brush them out, brush them out. And we're about to start drawing them. I'm gonna use this is the only eyebrow pomade that I use. It's the black and brown from Color Pop. I gotta get some more. I'm about to run out. But I'm gonna use this flat angle brush. And let's start drawing them. Alright, so it's not coming out smooth how I wanted to, so I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I do. I'll be back. So since it's not drawing on my brow very smoothly, I get a lighter, put it in here for like 10 seconds. Ooh, it's burning a little bit, but yeah, I do that. Do it for like 5 seconds if you want to do it, but be careful, don't burn yourself, because I be burning my finger a lot doing that. And you get, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's not focusing, but you'll get a good amount of it. Fill them in. So you do like one line under, one line out, and you fill them jokers in. It might look a little nasty right now, but we're gonna fix it. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. I like my eyebrows more arch. Sometimes I do a curve, sometimes I do an arch, but I like it more arch so I could get that, you know. And then once we clean it up, ooh, let me back up. Once we clean it up with the concealer, it's gonna look good. I always have this problem, like one brow is always better than the other. Like, it's crazy to me. Like, it just did a good smooth line on under and then a smooth one on top. Who do you think you are? You grab your spoolie again. Boom. Ooh, what was that? What was that? You see that? Blend that thing in. Just get your spoolie. Boom. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, 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 there it is. What was that? Oh my God. Now, we could clean them. It depends on how I'm feeling and what type of makeup look I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna do something more natural, soft glam, I'm gonna use the Pearl Conceal under my eyebrow to clean it up. if I'm doing color to make it pop a lot and stuff, use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. This just act like it don't want to focus, y'all. But it look like this. You can get an Ulta. I think Sephora got it. You can get it online too. I'm gonna make another video because I'm gonna do a full face video, so I'm feeling this today. We're gonna use this concealer. Make sure you get your flat. It could be a flat brush. It could be a small concealer brush, but I just use the flattest brush I could find in my little makeup brush bag. And when you get some, if you're using this concealer, boom, that's it. That's all you need. Alright. I'm gonna do this one first. When you're cleaning them, you could be close to it. But not too close, because you might mess it up. So, boom.
Eyebrow, you crazy.
So this is what I'm about to do now. If I could find them. Okay. I get one of these little small beauty blenders, or no, I'm gonna use the small ones today. I'm gonna get one of these little small beauty blenders and blend everything out. So we about to start doing it right now. If you don't have a little small one, this is fine. I got this at TJ Maxx, honey. Okay? It was like $3-4. I'm not sure. We gotta wet it a little bit, so I'm gonna get my little spray bottle. Do a little.
Eyebrow, you crazy.
Ooh. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna take our little beauty blender and just start blending it out. Can't really see it that much, but yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. So, finish blending it how I want them. Get your spoolie again. Ooh. Alright. And I'm finished. This is my eyebrow tutorial. This is how I do my eyebrows. You want to do it a different way or try my method, you know, do what it do. I know these ain't looking like, you know, sisters. They looking more like cousins, but that's the goal. That's the goal. Making sure they intact, making sure they look, you know, somewhat identical, somewhat. So, thank you guys for watching. You'll probably see me in the next video because I'm about to make a whole nother video doing full face. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video to others. I love you guys. Have a good day. Peace.